Hello, my dear lovely friends, heartily welcome to our channel GG. It's very easy. In previous video, we learned rotating our solar system. We learned to rotate our solar system without using null object. And in this video, we are going to learn to rotate our planets, suns using null object, not solar system lines. uh, let's create new composition, and here is our sun god. Let's make it adjustable, and to create new null object, just left click here, go to new, and press null object. Null object is a very powerful features of Adobe After Effects. It's using various video editing methods. With null object will rotate this sun more naturally than previous one, and then same as null object rotation. Hold option in a Mac and hold Alt in a PC, then press this timer button, then this time star 20, and then we are going to parent sun parent null object, and look, it is rotating more naturally than in the previous one. In this video, we are going to learn small features of null object, and then let's do another thing. Let's increase some. Now we got Mercury here. Let's adjust it. Smaller than my sun. Let's put it here. Let's put it closer. Let's make it little smaller. Let's move it a little closer. And now we are going to parent Mercury to Sun. Mercury start rotating around the Sun. But it's not rotating, so our Alt time star minus 20. And let's power Earth now. Earth, our Mother Earth, is going to be bigger than Mercury, and let's roll and drag it here. We got Moon, so we need to create new null object. Null object. Here we got our null object. Put it to odd center, and same thing. R Hold Alt in PC and Option in Mac. Just hit time. Star. I'm gonna put this 40. Let's put it 40. And we need to parent to null. And let's parent null to. Let's parent null to 2. Which one? Space? No, no. Let's parent null to null 1. It is moving more naturally. Then let's parent this also to null 1. Alt none, and let's move it a little bit closer here. Here is okay. Let's move our null object to here, and then null 2. Now it is looking more. Our planets are moving more naturally than previous one. Now let's take moon and put up there. Its parents obviously. And let's adjust it first. Moon. Sit. Let's move it to here, and let's null 2. Okay. Time star 60. Now our solar system looks, it's moving naturally than previous one, isn't it? Uh, Okay, my dear lovely friends, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it will motivate me to learn and make more videos like this. Maybe in other software, maybe in this software. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Bye bye.